Ever wonder what some secrets about women might be that you're not privy to? Well, buckle up, because we're about to delve into the enigmatic world of the female psyche. First up, when a woman is angry, she may not mean over half of what she says. A comforting hug can often be a balm to her storm. Secondly, when a woman is separated from the man she truly loves, it can be a time of great distress for her. The heart, as they say, wants what it wants. Thirdly, trust for a woman is not easily given, but once earned, it's hard to change her mind. However, one wrong move, and you might find yourself forgotten. Have you ever heard the phrase, "A woman is a school you will never graduate from"? This is because there's always something new to learn about her. Remember, your wedding certificate isn't a driving license, it's a learner's permit. The wooing should never stop. A woman can flip from being bitterly upset to sweetly angelic. It all hinges on your approach. Always treat her right. A woman's memory is a curious thing. She might remember hurts more than happiness, so avoid causing her pain. Use positive language and affirm her worth. Women are masters of secrets. When they seem hard to men, they often find solace in their friends. Strive to make your woman your best friend. All women love to be begged. Sometimes treating them like a cherished child is what they crave. Women have unique characters, akin to salt. Their presence might not always be noticed, but their absence makes everything tasteless. If a woman loves you, she will go to great lengths to make you happy. Never force her to love you. If you neglect her, she will find someone who won't. She chose you, remember that. A woman who truly loves you might feel shy to ask for money. As a gentleman, don't wait to be asked. Moreover, she won't let you spend unnecessarily. To recap, women are complex, emotional, and unique beings. They are precious jewels to be treasured. If they love you, they will do everything in their power to make you happy. In the face of success, there is often a good, honest woman behind. So, respect and appreciate the women in your life, for they are truly remarkable.